This tutorial will show you how to create a live stream open house or tour in Paragon. If you want to host an open house from Facebook Live or other streaming service, you can use the Open House module for that. To add a live stream open house or tour, go to Listings and select Listings. From your inventory, you can search by MLS number or address, or filter by status or class. Once you have the listing, click the MLS number. This will load the listing edit screen. From the section on the left, click Add Edit Open House or Add Edit Tour. Click Add New to create a new event. Ensure that Livestream is checked, then enter the Livestream URL. Only certain Livestream services can be used. Here's the list from Paragon. Next, enter the date or dates and time for the livestream. If you have any notes or comments to include, type those into comments, then click Save in the top right corner. Your Livestream Open House and Tour will be made available throughout Paragon, and the Livestream Open House will be made available on the Collaboration Center, within HomeSnap Pro, and other third-party sites accepting this data. Thanks for watching this tutorial on creating Livestream Open Houses and Tours. For more videos, subscribe to the Naren YouTube channel.